Yes.
Thank you.
And then,
Alright, I'm gonna explain a few things, okay? Our city, not racing. You know, not saying you're racing, but you know the sound and it sounds like you're hauling ass when you're not.
okay.
Have you heard of the state referee?
Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs. Back here with another video just for you guys. Man, y'all, this whole night's been crazy, man. It's been crazy. It's been insane. As you guys already know from the title of the video, I almost got state reffed. I almost got an exhaust ticket. I almost got the entire book thrown at me. It was insane, guys. This video is very organic. Not like the other videos where you just see the person getting pulled over in their car or you just see the conversation with a cop. This is literally me walking around my vehicle, me getting my vehicle, and me literally getting pulled over probably about 30 seconds later. Like I said, guys, authentic, organic, no clickbait. This is the real deal, guys. The crazy thing, guys, is you don't have to be racing, you don't have to be driving fast, you don't have to be doing anything insane, you don't have to be obnoxious on the road. You can literally be doing absolutely nothing or driving calm, driving relaxed, and still get pulled over. They're targeting these type of vehicles, they're targeting my type of vehicles, they're targeting everyone's type of vehicles, and they're really just putting the juggernaut down, guys. You need to make sure if you guys get pulled over, be friendly with the cops, be nice to the cops, be cooperative with the cops, pull over immediately, turn off your car immediately. Just be friendly, guys. These guys are people as well. They have to do their jobs. But anyway, guys, this is my experience from when I got into my car originally, from when I started the GoPro and when I got pulled over. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you guys want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, guys, it's all about being real and all about being authentic out here. Peace. Let's get it.
Hey, sir.
How you doing, bud?
Hey, did I do anything wrong?
Yeah, your exhaust is modified. Is it modified or not?
I have a Tome exhaust that.
So you're telling me that's not modified? Do you have your license?
Yes.
You can turn off your car.
Oh, okay. But it's under the 95 dB or whatever it's supposed to be. Here's my license.
You can turn off the car.
Okay, sorry. here is my registration.
Thank you.
And then, what else do you need, sir? You need insurance, right? Here you go, sir.
About entirety.
Oh, I did the wrap.
Okay.
The wheels were on it.
Was
It was actually gray. It's pretty cool. So it was a gray. It's like a metallic gray.
Sure.
But I went with like the color change. But yeah.
I think you put it in the car already. More than that.
Well, the wrap was about $3 grand.
I'm actually rear right there. Live.
What's that?
Phone or no?
Oh yeah, this is. I have that going, and I also have this one. Yeah.
So that's.
There's 2 of them. I have 2 GoPros. I'm actually doing a 5-video tutorial on learning to drive a stick. So what the first one was how to start. The second one, the 5 tips on what you should do in a manual car.
Sure.
So the first one was basically, hey, don't put your hand on the shifter. I know a lot of people like to do this. Yeah. That's probably like the worst thing, because when you feel a jerk and you'll be like,
I drove a stick shift. That was the first car I ever drove.
oh yeah. So what happens is,
okay.
And then this is the 3rd video. I'm living in Long Beach. I'm literally just going Highway 1, kind of just doing like a hey.
Does that mean I'm gonna be YouTube famous?
No, I wouldn't say YouTube famous. This isn't like those pull over Lamborghini for doing nothing videos. This is just, hey, I literally was just going on the street.
All right, is everything valid on here?
Oh yeah. Oh, I just moved in May. Thanks, guys.
All right, I'm gonna explain a few things. Okay, our city, we have signs that are posted, not at the moment, but you know those like warning signs or those like construction ahead signs, those flashing lights, you know, if they're posted or not. Our city, we have a big complaint or issue with cars rolling down PCH with loud exhaust. Okay. Modified exhaust.
Oh,
like I said, that's why I'm pulling you over.
Yeah, no problem.
So my advice to you is maybe drive a different car.
Down PCH.
Pulled over and get that ticket.
Okay.
I know you modified your exhaust. You don't have to tell me all that. I'm not giving you a ticket for it. If you have modified your exhaust, hang on to those parts so that way when you do get that ticket, you can throw it back on there. You know, not saying you're racing, but you know the sound and it sounds like you're hauling ass when you're not. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. My advice to you is either drive a different car or fix it. Okay. Otherwise, you're gonna. Have you heard of the state referee? They'll make your car look this big by the time they're done with it. Oh wow! So they're like they just go. Oh wow. So I mean, I could tell you've put a lot of time and effort and money. And not trying to give you a hard time.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Fixed, all right.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Thank you, sir. Oof. Well, y'all, as y'all can see, boy got lucky out here. Y'all, as you can see, if you're friendly with a cop, if you're nice, if you're honest, he might let you off, y'all. Damn, y'all. That shit's crazy, bro. I was literally going like 20 miles an hour, dog. Y'all, listen to this. This is how quiet my idol is. Y'all, they is not playing out here, y'all.